So one of the downsides to being tall is that pants are always too short, and you got to pay like double the price just to get a couple extra inches of fabric. Else, your uncle at Thanksgiving says, "Oh, where's the flood? Did you leave it in North Carolina?" To which you reply, "Oh, where's Auntie Marcia? Did you leave her at the cemetery?" And somehow you're the one who ruins Thanksgiving.
Open up that door!
So we double the point values here. Top 7 answers on the board. When you were a kid, name something you used as a partner to practice kissing. Yeah.
Sister.
Excuse me, sir. No furries on this premises.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss you.
Take a picture of me and use the flash.
Whoa.
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know. It just started showing up a couple of months ago. It only happens to flash on. I don't know how, but Barra knew about it.
All the girls are on me. Damn. Everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy swing.
Simon says, clap your hands. Simon says, touch your toes. Simon says, put the fucking coochie in the bag. Put the coochie in the fucking...
I'm in a state of a fucking emergency. Oh my god. There's an undercover furry right next to me! Help me!
I've got the cure for all of my blues. I take a look at my enormous penis, and my troubles start a melting away.
Hold on just a second, I'm sorry. My cats are... Stop! Get off the couch! Okay,
This is me 1 day on Supernatural. This is me 2 days on Supernatural. This is me 3 months on Supernatural. Simon!
Alrighty, quick little experiment. First thing you're gonna need is a bowl. Then, you're gonna fill that bitch up with water. Next step, you need some pepper. You're gonna pour the pepper into the bowl. Next step, you need some dish soap. You're gonna put the dish soap on your fingertip.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he does he kiss ya. He gon' find another girl and he won't miss ya. He gon' skirt then hit the dub like Wiz Khalifa.
I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about...
Boy, oh boy, am I sure enjoying this Apple computer. man, you know, what I really want is to play the hit game Minecraft, you know, just the base game that almost every platform has it.
Aha! What's up, guys? So I was just chilling in my bed this morning and thinking of this girl and wanted to write a song. Let me know if you think she'll like it. Oh, wow!
Creeper. Oh man. So we back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging from side to side, side.
Water. Earth. Fire. Air.
Hey guys, this is day 1 on anime. This is me day 2 of anime. This is me day 7 on anime. This is me week 17 on anime. Good morning, class. Welcome to Japanese Study 116. Today we're going to be talking about anime titties and how to spot a love. Please open your books to chapter 1.
Alright guys, new challenge. All you gotta do is make it anywhere that is not inside of the trash can to end racism. Maybe someday.
Attention, all gamers. Please rise for the Gamer National Anthem.
Put on these glasses, and you'll enter the world of the game.
Hey gamers, you know what I learned? If you say I want to be Tracer 3 times with the lights off, you'll become Tracer. Let's try it. I want to be Tracer, I want to be Tracer, I want to be Tracer. How nothing happened? Maybe I'm already Tracer.
Hit or miss, I guess I never miss. Huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. Huh? She go find another girl and he won't miss ya. She goes skirting and then
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. Why you gonna find another girl and he won't miss ya?
and she says to dance really fast, cause I like to dance so fast, and my friends are all messed.
All the girls are on me. Damn, everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy swing.
Did you know statistically 1 in 10 people live next door to a pedophile? Not me though. Not me though. I live next to a little 10-year-old boy with a fat ass. You know what I'm saying?
It's the thirstiest time of the year. Yeah. I have just one query. Want a Sprite cranberry?
Can I have a peppermint?
You can have a peppermint.
That's too hot for me. Hey! I don't like the peppermint.
You don't like the peppermint?
No, it's
This is me, day 1 on short-term memory loss. This is me, day 1 on short-term memory loss. This is me, day 1 on short-term memory loss.
Have you heard of LGBTQ+? Well, I am the P in plus. I have a heart that can love all genders. Yes, I'm pan, and I'm proud to be. Choose your character.
Welcome to McDonald's. Do you want a fucking cheeseburger?
Please. I just want to see my wife again.
Chicken nuggets.
I kissed her.
It was one kiss, and it meant absolutely nothing, baby. I did such a stupid thing.
Is she prettier than me?
No!
Fire!
No, Jack!
What am I supposed to do now, huh? What the fuck am I supposed to do now? You ruined everything!
All the girls are on me. Damn. Everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy swing.
Did you know for every 3 people, 1 person is gay? Really? According to statistics, yes. Well, I'm not gay. I'm not gay either.
I'm been there, done that, messed around. I'm having fun, don't put me down. I'll never let you sweep me off my feet.
My family's gone on vacation, and finally I'm home alone. Shit, I left the door unlocked. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god!
Oh, what's up, man? How you doing? It's been a while. Yeah, it's good to see you again. Yeah, that guy? Sorry, dude. That's my mentally challenged brother. Dude, stop! He kind of acts up sometimes.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the
This is not your swamp!
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now.
Easy no, no need to go down. Rock that run, that this how we frown. Easy no, no need to go down. Easy no, no need to go down. Rock that run, that this how we frown.